Hey everybody, this is Lisa. I am coming on with another project share for PandaHaul Selected. And I just have this beadboard sitting here because I have been just, making some stuff. So the items that I use for this video are these little ball charms. And look at this container. So I'm going to show you what I made. And I used a few things from my stash, which was the chain and the little charms. But look at these, how cute. So I just got some charms together and I just kind of matched the little, what was, the color that was inside the little ball. So there's a little gingerbread one. Now these are just ready for me to just clamp on a project. You can also go as far as adding some more beads to this and make like a little dangle. But I like this dangle like this. So I did that one. And in this container, you have some that has the gold and you have some that has the silver. So you get gold and silver in this container. So here's a silver one. And I had a little silver and white snowflake. So I put a green one. Uh-oh, can't hold nothing. So I put the little green ball charm on there. How cute. And some of these has little diamonds in them. Little diamond gems on the inside. And some of them have sequins. Let's see, this one right here with the Santa, it has little white star sequins. If you can see. Okay. So really cute. So I got that one. I made a ton of these. And this one I used the green again. It matched the little stocking. If I can get it turned around. Like that. So cute. And this one I just put two of these here. So they'd be cute on a Christmas project. The green and white. Here is a snowman and I did the red. Really cute. And then I had another white snowflake, and I used the blue little sequins. Did that one. Here is I just had a gold snowflake, really pretty. So I thought that went well for all the gold lovers. And then here is one I used the little white stars again with the pink reindeer. The pink Rudolph. And then here's another blue one with a blue snowflake. It's really cute. So I did that. And then this one, I just had this little red ginger man in my stash. And he happened to be trimmed in silver. So I used the little red diamonds. So really cute. So I made a lot of these and I still have a ton left. So there's a lot of these left. So that is awesome. So, and then I got me some dangles. The dangles are ready to go just to hang on a project. So that is my other project share for PandaHaul Selected. Now I do have these little metal feet, and I will come back with a project share for that as well. So that is my project share. Make sure you check out the description box. Everything will be linked along with the 10% coupon code. So that is it. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.